Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to start class 8 science question answers of chapter 10, that is reaching the age of adolescence. Question number 1 is, what is the term used for chemical secretions of endocrine glands responsible for changes taking place in the body? The answer is, the term used for chemical secretions of endocrine glands responsible for changes that takes place in the body is hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers of the body which are secreted by the endocrine glands. Question number 2 is, define adolescence. The answer is, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. ये लाइफ का वो पीरियड होता है जब बॉडी के अंदर बहुत सारी चेंजेस होती हैं लीडिंग टू रिप्रोडक्टिव मैच्योरिटी, उसको हम एडोलेसेंस कहते हैं। और ये चेंजेस जो हैं ये शुरू होते हैं 11 ईयर्स से एंड इट गोज ऑन अप टू 18 और 19 ईयर्स ऑफ एज। द नेक्स्ट, what is menstruation? Explain. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. एग और स्पर्म जब ये फ्यूज नहीं हो पाते हैं तो फीमेल बॉडी के अंदर ब्लीडिंग होती है, और ये जो ब्लीडिंग है ये एवरी मंथ होती है, इसको हम मेंस्ट्रुएशन कहते हैं। Menstruation begins at puberty and is termed as menarche. Menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. At 45 to 50 years of age, the menstrual cycle stops. Stoppage of menstruation cycle is termed as menopause. Number 4 is, list changes in the body that takes place at puberty. Changes that takes place in our body at puberty are, first one is sudden increase in height and weight. Height और weight जो है वो suddenly increase हो जाता है. The next one is broadening of shoulders and widening of chest in boys. In girls, the region below waist becomes wider. बॉयज़ के अंदर जो शोल्डर्स हैं वो उनके चौड़े हो जाते हैं और जो चेस्ट है वो भी इनकी चौड़ी हो जाती है। और इन गर्ल्स के अंदर जो कमर के नीचे का हिस्सा होता है वो चौड़ा हो जाता है। इन बॉयज द वॉइस बॉक्स और larynx begin to grow. बॉयज डेवलप लार्जर वॉइस बॉक्सेस। बॉयज के अंदर जो ये वॉइस बॉक्स है वो बड़ा हो जाता है। The growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. और ये जो protruding part है of the throat को इसको हम Adam's apple भी कहते हैं। In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because of its small size. और girls के अंदर जो है larynx जो है वो कम visible होता है comparatively to boys. The appearance of hair in areas such as underarms, face, hands and legs can be seen. Next one is the appearance of acne as a result of excessive secretion of oil from the skin. स्किन से ज़्यादा ऑयल सिक्रीट होता है और इससे जो है कील मुहासे जो है ज़्यादा फेस के ऊपर आ जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज टेस्टिस grows and start producing sperms in male. टेस्टिस जो है वो ग्रो हो जाते हैं और वो स्पर्म बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं इन मेल्स में, whereas in females the ovaries enlarges. फीमेल्स के अंदर जो है ओवरीज enlarge होती है and they start producing matured eggs. Question number 5 is, prepare a table having two columns depicting names of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. Here are the endocrine glands. First one is pituitary gland. Hormone जो ये produce करती है that helps in growth और इसका function है elongation of bones and growth of organism. Next one is adrenal gland. ये जो हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करती है ये है एड्रेनलिन, और इसका फंक्शन है मेंटेन करेक्ट सॉल्ट बैलेंस एंड डील विद stress. The next one is thyroid. Hormone produced by thyroid is thyroxine, and function is metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, fat. Next one is pancreas. Pancreas ये प्रोड्यूस करते हैं इंसुलिन, एंड इसका फंक्शन है टू मेंटेन द लोअर शुगर लेवल. द नेक्स्ट वन इज टेस्टिस, एंड हार्मोन जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं टेस्टिस, दैट इज नॉन एज टेस्टोस्टेरोन. अ फंक्शन है इनका डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टेस्टिस, प्रोड्यूस ऑफ स्पर्म्स एंड कंट्रोल सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर. नेक्स्ट वन इज ओवरी. ये हार्मोन जो प्रोड्यूस करती हैं उसको हम कहते हैं एस्ट्रोजन. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोगेस्टेरॉन, दैट इज प्रेगनेंसी हार्मोन, एंड द फंक्शन इज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ओवरीज, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एग्स एंड कंट्रोल सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर. Question number 6 is, what are sex hormones? Why are they named so? State their function. The answer is, for the first, that is sex hormones. The sex hormones are chemical substances produced by sex organs. Male sex hormone produced by testes is called testosterone, and the female sex hormone produced by ovaries is called एस्ट्रोजन. तो जो मेल हार्मोन है उसको हम टेस्टोस्टेरोन कहते हैं, और जो फीमेल सेक्स हार्मोन है उसे हम एस्ट्रोजन कहते हैं. दीज हार्मोन्स आर सिक्रीटेड बाय द सेक्स ऑर्गन्स. ये जो हार्मोन्स हैं ये सिक्रीट होते हैं बाय द सेक्स ऑर्गन से, एंड कंट्रोल सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटीज, और ये जो है ये सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करते हैं. They also help us to distinguish the male from the female, और इससे हम distinguish कर सकते हैं मेल और फीमेल को. Hence they are known as sex hormones. Functions. Let's see the functions. The male hormone or testosterone begins to be released by the testes. Testes जो है वो मेल हार्मोन रिलीज करते हैं called testosterone on the onset of puberty. This causes changes in boys. और इसमें boys में काफ़ी change होता है. For example, growth of facial hair, mustache, beard. When puberty is reached in girls, ovaries begin to produce the female hormone or estrogen. जब girls puberty stage में पहुंच जाती हैं तो फीमेल हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करती हैं ovaries, उसको हम कहते हैं एस्ट्रोजन, which makes the breast develop. Milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. The production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from an endocrine gland called pituitary gland. Question number 7 is, choose the correct option. A part is, adolescents should be careful about what they eat because proper diet develops their brains. Next option is, proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in their body. Next is, adolescents feel hungry all the time. And the last one is, taste buds are well developed in teenagers. The correct option is, proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in their body. Adolescents की body में बहुत तेजी से growth होती है और इसके लिए उन्हें proper diet की ज़रूरत होती है. B part is, reproductive age in women starts when their menstruation starts, breast starts developing, body weight increases, height increases. The option is menstruation starts. B part is, the right meal for adolescents consists of chips, noodles, coke. Next option is chapati, dal, vegetables. Next one is rice, noodles and burger. And the last one is vegetable, cutlets, chips and lemon drink. The right option is chapati, dal and vegetables. Question number 8 is, write notes on. The first one is Adam's apple. In boys, the voice box or larynx begin to grow at puberty. वॉइस के अंदर क्या होता है कि जो वॉइस बॉक्स है ये बड़ा होना शुरू हो जाता है प्यूबर्टी के टाइम पे. बॉयज डेवलप लार्जर वॉइस बॉक्सेस. इनकी जो वॉइस बॉक्स होती है वो काफी बड़ी होती है कंपेरेटिवली टू गर्ल्स. The growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. और ये जो protruding part है throat का, इसको हम Adam's apple कहते हैं. As a result, the vocal cords become longer and thicker, causing the voice to become hoarse. और voice जो है उनकी voice की काफी rough हो जाती है. However, in females, the larynx is of small size and is hardly visible. Females में जो है larynx ये hardly visible होती है. Therefore, girls have high pitched voice. इसलिए girls की जो है वो high pitched voice होती है, whereas boys have low pitched voice. The next one is secondary sexual characters. Features like facial hair, mustache and beard in boys and breast development in girls help us to distinguish the male from the female, are called secondary sexual characters. C part is sex determination in the unborn baby. The answer is a female has 2 X chromosomes. Female के अंदर 2 X chromosomes होते हैं, while male has 1 X and Y chromosomes. लेकिन male के अंदर 2 chromosomes होते हैं, एक X chromosome है और एक Y chromosome होते हैं. The gametes, egg and sperm have only one set of chromosomes. The unfertilized egg always have 1 X chromosomes. जो unfertilized egg है उसके अंदर सिर्फ एक ही chromosome होता है, that is X chromosome. But sperms are of 2 types, that is X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. Sperms जो है वो 2 types के होते हैं, एक तो X chromosomes और दूसरा है Y chromosomes. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have 2 X chromosomes. और जब ये 2 X chromosomes हो जाते हैं and develop into a female child, तो female child born होता है. And if the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg, that is ovum, at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. It is the sex hormones of the father that determine the sex of an unborn baby. Here is the diagram for you, and explanation I have already given to you in answer. The next one is word game across, that is protruding voice box in boys, that is called Adam's apple. Next one is glands without ducts. The answer is endocrine. Next one is endocrine gland attached to the brain, that is pituitary gland. Secretion of endocrine glands, that is called hormone. Pancreatic hormone, that is answer is insulin. And female hormone, that is called as estrogen. Dawn is male hormone that is called as testosterone. Secretes thyroxine, that is called thyroid. Another term for teenager, that is known as adolescence. Hormone reaches here through bloodstream. The answer is target site. Next one is voice box. The answer is larynx. Term for changes at adolescence, that is known as puberty. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.